Here's another terrific Fairmont vanity. This is a Smithfield 2, really meant to look like a chest that you might see in any part of the house, but it is, of course, a dedicated bathroom vanity. It's a 36-inch model. Vanity manufacturers have two ways of sizing their vanities. One is to give you the width dimension of just the cabinet. That's what Fairmont does. Other manufacturers will give you the width dimension of, at its widest point, including one of their tops. Even if you don't buy the top, that's what they're going to call it. This top is actually about a 37-inch top. That becomes important for people trying to fit a vanity into a tight space like an alcove. But at LUXX, we understand all those issues and can address them for you. Again, Smithfield 2, one of the things that's really cool is notice the sink top. It's an integrated porcelain sink top. People love these. Ease of cleaning, durability, heat resistance for curling irons and things like that is terrific. Fairmont makes more tops for their cabinets than anybody else in the business. So they have lots of options. They'll typically have the same top offered in a single hole faucet as well as an 8-inch widespread. And again, different, you can do undermount sinks, solid surface tops. They have loads of tops to choose from. So again, Fairmont Smithfield, soft close drawers, really beautiful piece. And there's the bottom drawer.